Today I eat how it's called?
Raviolis.
Raviolis with mushrooms inside. And rangu on top. Bye bye.
So both of them were in when it fell? So where's the other one? I'm on phone right now, I'm on phone.
Outfit of the day. I'm wearing t-shirt from Primark, hoodie from H&M. I really like the shade of it, the lilac. Sweatpants, pink, Victoria's Secret. We match hoodie because we have that pink with colors of lilac, violet. Then maybe I put Adidas and jacket. Already sunny today, and it's cold. Leaves falling, see, from that tree. 7:33. I'm here in the center of my town. Dentist. Welcome. Show you the rest of my outfit over there, which is coat from Parka from Bauer. This is Parka. I'll show you this. I still have some time for the bus, which will come at 9:29. It's really long crazy. Because one way to dentist I took Uber, and another way I will just take 2 buses. One I already took. No, another one, and then maybe I will take naps too, because I'm a bit too tired. And today I took additional shift for work, which will be at second half of the day. Okay, and here my sneakers. Also outfit, but they are from A6 and they comfortable. I wear them also the same model but black ones to work. And this one I bought to have additional one because it seems comfortable. And they are from Amazon. And here and here is a nice waterfall. Yeah. But it's probably it's called different way, I don't know. And here committee made. Bicentennial committee. Yeah. So yeah, there is bus stop. Hope I'm late for the bus. I could go store, but I don't think I have enough time because stores are there and I'm tired. And when you don't have cards, you have to go shopping. Shopping I will go tomorrow. So yeah. Here is nice building too. I don't know if it's church or what is it, but it's nice. Yeah, and there is also a nice building, which is this one. And there is small. The water going over this and I have to cross the street. Yeah, see, it's so windy. And I'm more in my Bauer coat. Because it's from down. It's down feeling, and also it's not super cold because it's actually 50s now. Across here. Walking home. Bus ride was for free, but dollars the thing for you insert dollars was broke. So I said for free. I don't know what home almost, but look guys, it's now November and the roof bloomed. That's weird. Yeah, because we had warm days. And I thought we're blooming in summer. And this flower is blooming nicely. See? Wait. Here's another one. It's there and here. So the flower must be here. So here is the yard. Maybe I do some outfit over the pictures. On video. Now it's nice in the sun.
Bye.